Now question number 1. In figure, in a circle with center O, length of chord AB is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the measure of each of the following. First, angle AOB. Second, angle ACB. Third, arc AB. Fourth, arc ACB. Now we solve it. Here given that chord AB is equal to radius OA is equal to radius OB. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, we know that each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree because each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Therefore, here given that angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Now, find the measure arc AB. Now, this is the corresponding arc of the central angle AOB. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to measure arc AB because definition of central angle. Therefore, measure arc AB is equal to 60 degree. Now, next find the measure angle ACB. Now, angle ACB is the inscribed angle intercepted the arc AB. Therefore, measure angle ACB is equal to half of measure arc AB because inscribe angle theorem. Therefore, measure angle ACB is equal to half of measure arc AB, that is 60 degree, is equal to 30 degree. 60 divided by 2, that is equal to 30 degree. Now, next find the measure arc ACB. We know that measure arc ACB plus measure arc AB get a complete circle. Therefore, measure arc ACB plus measure arc AB is equal to 360 degree because measure of a circle is 360 degree. Therefore, measure arc ACB plus measure arc AB, that is 60 degree, is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, measure arc ACB is equal to हा जो 60 डिग्री आहे लेफ्ट हँड साईडला राईट हँड साईडला शिफ्ट करा प्लस आहे तिकडे जाताना काय होईल मायनस इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री मायनस 60 डिग्री. Therefore, measure arc ACB is equal to 300 degree. Therefore, now first find angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Second, measure angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Measure arc AB is equal to 60 degree and measure arc ACB is equal to 300. In this way, we solve this example. Okay. Now, question number 3. Quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic. Measure angle R is equal to 5x minus 30 degree. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Find the measure of angle R and angle N. Here given that angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Again given that quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic. We know that the property of cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore, angle M and angle P are opposite angle. Angle R and angle N are opposite angle. Therefore, angle R plus angle N is equal to supplementary, that is 180 degree. Therefore, put the value of angle R and angle N. Angle R, that is 5x minus 13 degree, plus angle N, that is 4x plus 4 degree. 4x plus 4 is equal to 180. From this equation, we find the value of x. Therefore, 5x plus 4x, that is 9x. Negative 13 plus 4, positive 4, that is negative 9 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 9x is equal to, आधी हा जो 9 आहे त्याला तिकडे पाठवा. काय होईल? 9x is equal to 180 plus 9. Therefore, 9x is equal to 189. Therefore, x is equal to 189 divided by 9. Therefore, x is equal to 189 divided by 9, that is 21. This is the value of x. Now, find the value of angle R and angle N. Therefore, measure angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree. 5x minus 13 degree is equal to 5 multiplied by 21 minus 13 degree. Therefore, is equal to 21 5s, that is 105. 105 minus 13 degree. Therefore, is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. 10 minus 1, that is 9. 92 degree. This is the value of measure angle R. Similarly, find the value of angle N. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. 4x plus 4 degree, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 21 plus 4 degree is equal to 4 multiplied by 21, that is 84 plus 4 degree is equal to 88 degree. And their sum is 180. 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 9 plus 9, 18. In this way, we can find the value of angle R is equal to 92 degree and angle N is equal to 88 degree. Okay. Question number 5. Prove that any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. Let suppose that quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. Therefore, we know that the property of rectangle, each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree, because each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Therefore, take the opposite angles of a rectangle. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is equation first. Similarly, we can prove that angle B plus D is equal to. Similarly, we prove that angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. This is equation second. Therefore, opposite angles of rectangle, opposite angles of rectangle are supplementary. Therefore, rectangle is cyclic quadrilateral. That is, every rectangle, any rectangle is cyclic quadrilateral. In this way, we prove it. Now, question number 7. In figure, measure of arc NS is equal to 125 degree. Measure of arc EF is equal to 37 degree. Find measure of angle NMS. Here, chord EN and chord FS intersect each other externally at point of the circle. ह्या जे कॉर्ड्स, दोन कॉर्ड्स आहेत, कॉर्ड EN आणि कॉर्ड FS, ह्या दोघं इंटरसेक्ट करतात. पण कुठे करतायत? एक्सटर्नली द सर्कल, सर्कलच्या बाहेर इंटरसेक्ट करतात. तर यासाठी आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहिती आहे. वी नो दॅट measure angle NMS is equal to half in bracket measure of arc NS minus measure of arc EF square bracket complete, because chord EN and chord FS intersect each other externally the circle. Therefore, put the value of measure arc NS and measure arc EF. Therefore, angle NMS is equal to half of measure of NS, that is 125 degree minus 37 degree, is equal to half multiply by 8 carry 1 4 88 degree. Therefore, is equal to 44 degree. Therefore, angle NMS is equal to 44 degree. In this way, we solve this example.